everybody! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi Device to Xiaomi 11T. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then you need to select receive on Xiaomi 11T and send on this Xiaomi device. Then tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one photo, choose send and click got it for example. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, you need to tap on this scanning icon. Choose while using the app or only this time and punch your Xiaomi's 11T camera, add the code, then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you can always go into some kind of files app like File Manager, click on Agree and Continue, tap on Allow, and go into, in my case, Images. As you can see, Send Anywhere section is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!